You let it get nice and dirty. Doesn't really say how many pumps to put in. Wait. I don't know if that's enough. I hope so. It says coat the turntable. Okay, I think that's pretty coated. Now we turn it on for 2 minutes. Okay. Now I gotta wipe it out. Okay, so it's been about a minute of me just wiping. As you can see, it's pretty clean. And it did wipe off pretty easy. It didn't really get the door though. And it did not get that stuff up there. I'm sure if I did it 1 or 2 more times, that stuff would just fall right off. So I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. That did make it really easy. Good job, Zep.